Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings application and then scroll all the way down to General Management and scroll down again and select Reset. At the bottom here you will find Factory Data Reset. This presents you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, so if you see anything in here that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done the backup or you just don't want to, again, you can scroll all the way down and select Reset from here. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. And additionally, now I can select Delete All, but if you have Samsung account signed in on this phone, this piece of crap will ask you to also sign out of this, which defeats the purpose of a screen lock, because if I needed to sign out of the Samsung account, why did I need to provide my pattern? But if you have a Google account, which I do, it doesn't give a crap about it, which is just a hypocritical behavior of Samsung. Anyway, from here we're gonna select Delete All. As I mentioned, I only have the Samsung or Google account, so I don't need to sign out of it. And once you do select the Delete All, it begins the process, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.